So the next skill is skill F, summarizing. This is my reflection about summarizing. Ang summarizing ay ang mga kayahan nating kuhanin ang pinaka-importanteng impormasyon mula sa isang text at ilahad ito gamit ang sarili nating salita in a shorter and more concise way. Mahalaga ang skill na ito, hindi lang ito dahil hindi lahat ng binabasa natin ay kailangan tandaan word for word. Ang malaga ay maunawaan natin ang kabuuang punto ng ating binabasa. So this is my expectation before I learn what is summarizing. Noong una, pinakala ko na madali lang ang pag-summarize. I thought it was just about shortening the text or ano mo lang yung text is yung hindi mo pinapahaba. Akala ko basta mabawasan mo na ang words, summary na yon. I also expect na automatic na lalabas ang summary kapag binabasa mo lang ang buong article or story, but later I realized that summarizing is actually a skill that takes practice, especially kapag mahaba ang text or maraming details. So this is what I did not know before. Dati alam ko kung paano piliin ang mga dapat lang isama sa summary. Minsan I would include too many details, or on the other hand, I would miss the most important parts. I also didn't understand the difference between summarizing and paraphrasing. Akala ko pareho lang sila, pero natutunan ko na ang paraphrasing ay pag-reword ng buong sentence, habang ang summarizing ay pagkuha ng pinaka-essence na buong passage. Isa pa, hindi ko alam dati kung paano magsimula ng summary. Kung dapat ba ayon sa pagkasunod-sunod ng text or ayon sa pinakamaling idea. Ngayon, mas malinaw na sa akin ang flow at structure ng isang maayos na summary. So this is what I have learned. Ngayon, alam ko na ang summarizing ay hindi lang basta sa pagputol ng sentence o paghalo-halo ng keywords. It involves identifying the main idea, getting the supporting points, and leaving out the extra or repetitive information. Natutunan ko na rin ang guest method, summarizing a paragraph in one sentence using your own words. Super helpful ito lalo na sa mga long readings. I've also learned that a good summary answers the question, what is the author trying to say, in the shortest, clearest way possible. Importante rin ang paggamit ng transition words para maging maayos ang daloy ng summary, tulad ng first, next, also, finally, at syempre dapat pag-unawa, hindi ito copy-paste, kailangan mo lang intindihin ang text. This is my improvement now. This I can say that I've really improvement my summarizing skill. For instance, during once of our activities, we were asked to summarize a 2-page article. Before I would written almost our whole paragraph just repeating the content, but this time I was able to express the main idea in points in our stories. Another example is when we watch a short documentary, instead of listening every I saw or heard, I was able to give a clear and focused summary that captured what the documentary was really about. In conclusion, learning how to summarize properly has helped me become a more patient reader and communicator. Hindi ko na kailangan kabisaduhin lahat ng binabasa ko, kahit alam ko na ang main point at malagang detalye. I can already explain in a short and effective way. So this is all about in skill F, summarizing.